Good day everyone. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the surface area of a solid figure and its net. In this lesson, you will learn how to visualize the surface area of solid figures such as cube, prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. You will also learn the formula to be used in solving surface area and how to solve it. Also, I'll be giving you the nets of each solid figure. And lastly, the units of measure for the surface area to be used will also tackle. If you are ready, then let us now begin. At first, let us have the definition of terms. First, surface area, and then second, solid figures. When we speak of surface area, this refers to the sum of the areas of all the surfaces of a solid figure. Meaning to say, kukunin lang natin lahat ng areas and then pagsasama-samahin, yun yung tinatawag nating surface area. And when we speak of a solid figure or solid figures, these are figures made from different plane figures such as square, rectangle, triangle, and the like. So again, once na alam natin on how to get the areas of different plane figures, then we can perform this what you call surface area. In solving for surface area, it is very important that you know what plane figure is represented by its face. Another way of describing the surface area of a solid figure is through determining the area of its net. Now, ano ba itong net na sinasabi? When we say net, it is a flat pattern that you can fold to form a solid figure. So mamaya, makikita nyo yung net ng bawat solid figure na ating tatalakayin. Okay, for us to know, these are the units of measure for the surface area. To measure surface area, we'll be using square units such as square millimeter, square centimeter, square decimeter, square meter, square kilometer, square inch, square foot, square yard, or square mile. So ito yung iba't ibang units na pwede nating gamitin in getting the surface area of a different figures or shapes. Okay? Cylinder is a solid figure with two circular bases and one curved surface. If you look at the figure, meron nga tayong two circles. So that's why in getting the surface area of a cylinder, that is equivalent to the area of two circular bases kung saan ito yung circle natin, isa, and then ito nga sa taas, dalawa. Okay? Plus the area of the rectangle. That's why symbolically that is equivalent to 2 pi r squared. Kasi before, in getting the area of a circle, di ba pi r squared ang formula. Since dalawa itong bilog, kaya nagkaroon ng 2 tapos pi r squared. And for the area of a rectangle, that is from 2 pi r h. So that's why to get the surface area of a cylinder, that is equivalent to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. At kapag binuka natin itong given cylinder, itong nasa kanan, ito. So ito yung tinatawag nating net of a cylinder. Na kung saan meron tayong rectangle wherein the area is length times width. At syempre pa, yung dalawang bilog, the area is pi r squared plus another pi r squared. Kagaya ng nabanggit natin kanina, will give us 2 pi r squared. So this is our pattern in getting the surface area of a cylinder. If you are ready, then let us have a sample. Find the surface area of a cylinder with radius 4 meters and a height of 12 meters. Use 3.14 for P or pi. A while ago, sabi natin, for us to get the surface area of a cylinder, that is equivalent to 2 pi r squared para sa area ng dalawang circles, and then plus 2 pi r h para naman dun sa area of a given rectangle na kapag binuka natin, pwede natin gamitin yung radius and height as dimensions of the said rectangle. Okay? Now, paano natin ito i-compute? So, following the formula, 2 is 2, and then instead of pi, we'll be using 3.14. Okay? Then, since the given radius is 4 meters, so write 4, then squared, plus, we have 2 here, and then pi is 3.14, and then the given radius is 4, and the given height is 12. So if you notice, pinalitan lang natin yung bawat corresponding letter dun sa kanyang value na ibinigay. So in here, pwede nating i-compute muna yung 4 to the second power, o di kaya, if you wish, pwede nating isabay itong 2 times 3.14. So kunwari, kukunin natin yung 2 times 4, edi 8. Then 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 3 is 6. So meron tayong 6.28. Instead of 2 times 3.14, kinuha na natin yung kanyang product. And then sabi natin kanina, evaluate 4 squared. That 4 squared means what? 4 times 4, and that is 16. So it is now 6.28 times 16. Plus, another 2 times 3.14 a while ago, sabi natin that is equivalent to 6.28. Okay? Times the product of these two, 4 and 12. So 4 times 2 is 8, while 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 times 12, therefore, is 48. So now, it's time for us to get the product of 6.28 and 16. So, kunwari, solve muna natin dito sa side na to. O hindi kunwari, let us solve 6.28 times 16 talaga. Bakit kunwari? Dapat seryoso. So, what is the product of these two? 6 times 8, the answer is 48. Carry 4, 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4, that is 16. Carry 1, 6 times 6 is 36, plus 1 is 37. Then we have 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 6 is 6. So, time to add. Of course, bring down 8. Then 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6 is 10. If you look at the problem, meron tayo sa taas na 2 decimal places. Tama? So therefore, from the end of our answer, move tayo ng 1, 2. So that is 100.48. So lagay natin dito, we have 100.48. Okay? Plus the other. So 6.28 times 48. So pahiin muna natin ito. 6.28 times 48 tayo this time. Okay? So times 48. So 8 times 8 will give us 64. Carry 6. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 6 is 22. Carry 2. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 2, that is 50. And then 4 times 8 is 32. Carry 3. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. Carry 1. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 1 is 25. Then time to add, we have here 4, then 4, 1, 10, carry 1, 3. Again, 2 decimal places. So 1, 2 movements to the left. And that is 301.44. So to get the surface area, kunin lang natin ang sum nitong 100.48 and 301.44. So, i-plus natin 100.48 plus 301, okay, 0.44. So, i-plus natin. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 4, that is 9. Then, copy the decimal point. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So, the answer is 401.92. In this case, our unit of measure ay m, then right squared, para na sa ganon, ito ang ating maging kasagutan sa surface area na ito. Okay, so this is our final answer. Gets? Ayos.